Mount Kilimanjaro, and I see this, and I would like to take a look at it, because that doesn't belong. This is where I see a lot of those little fleas on a poodle coming in and out of the clouds. But look at that. There's something there, but look at that. Yeah, and there's moon. Definitely. Yeah. That's big. Whatever it is, it's big. That's a building. That's a big building. Very big. Tower. A faint something here, but look at that. What the heck is that? It's moving. I wish I could get closer. Dang. Alright, well, we got to peek at it. I don't know what it is. On to the next stop. Amazing.